Until 5 pa?
Hello guys, it's me, assistant of Chef Michael.
5,000 so I will get.
So now we are going to
It's my mistake.
Bank, Al Razi Bank. It's Chef Michael, aka Chef Gap.
Ayo, alhamdulillah.
So now we are Paris, guys, Paris. Chef, how is your feelings? Because we are going to now Dunkin' Donuts.
Actually,
Because your first time, right?
Yes. No, not really this one. Cellphone this one. What about?
How much?
Give me 10 real.
15 yam?
10 real. Now internet ka na sa?
Salah, muskilah.
Mas muskila mo ako. Only das real yan eh.
Mashallah, mashallah. How is the feeling, guys? First time?
First time. Second time. Hindi malong 3 in 1.
Yalla, bas, karas. Why don't you do?
What is your problem?
कहाँ से बनाऊँ? खोलो उसको, हाँ वही है। बोलो तुम ही बोलो। अरे ठीक है, बनाओ बनाओ बनाओ, बनाता हूँ।
Ella, chest.
Vlogger mga subscriber, this guy. This guy vlogger from Parma, mga subscriber.
Why you make?
Dunking, dunking,
Coffee dunking, dunking.
dunking. Ada dunking. What time is it finish? Ada.
What about you? What about you? Philippine Dunkin?
Too much.
I'm not believe.
When is too much? 55 real dunking. What? Pink donut, ha?
New variety.
I like pink donut.
Yes.
Mga pinanggin donut in Jaffe.
In India.
But you not drink Dunkin' Donut.
First time I go.
Aywa.
Dunking, but in Saudi Arabia.
First time coming. No, you coming 2 times.
I can.
And you coming 2 times also free, sa?
Hindi ada.
Aywa. Free. Why? You give money? Why you give money? So wala lah, manis. Kaman? You
Yes, I have.
you have 2 real. I give 2 real this way. You know?
Yalla, bye.
I pay Muhammad 2 riyal only to drink Dunkin' Donut coffee, guys.
Only 2 real.
Aywa, I gave, he not give money. I give money only to
Yeah.
drink 2 riyal.
How come?
See, too much happy, Yani.
Good.
Manish, you have this Dunkin' Donuts in Nepal?
No, in my country only chicken curry.
A chicken curry, aloo bhaji curry, aywa, motong curry,
Paroka,
parota,
thuppa, chowmin,
chapati, aywa, and panipuri. Aywa, panipuri number 1. You touch my donut. Kadin, see? Kadin you go toilet. Kadin touch my donut. I eat your feet. See?
No problem.
Dunkin'.
What, Manish? How about you, Manish? What do you call this?
I will see first. Dunkin'.
Aywa. I know you know only 3-in-1 coffee. Guys, first time. Di marunong. Happy malum. See?
For the first time.
Aywa. Happy only malum drink 3-in-1. Ali kape. Hmm? Vlogger mapi subscriber, this guy. This guy vlogger from Nepal but mapi subscriber.
Hi, ready? Yalla. Coffee. Joy.
Aywa. First time.
What's that?
Okay.
Bread? Yes, friend. What is the name?
What? I don't know.
Why you don't know?
That is a boko bread.
Mogo bread?
Boko bread.
Mogo bread.
Yeah, okay, donut that one, donut.
Fresh.
How was your experience?